Kevin here at Lowcountry Paver. We're here at the manufacturing plant today. It's starting to feel a little bit like fall out here. Wanted to sit outside, kind of give a rundown of some of our colors, our finishes, some of our different options that we have. I've laid a few out here on the table, so let's get into it. To start, I wanted to start with this big one here, mainly because it's heavy. This is our Charleston Edgestone product. It features a very smooth face and a beveled edge here. This is our largest format paver that we offer here at Lowcountry Paver. It's actually a 3-piece configuration, so this one's a 17 by 17 and there are 2 smaller pieces that go along with it to complete the pattern. This product in particular looks fantastic on a pool deck. I was actually just up in Charleston at a project that we just completed up there on a pool deck. This is brown and cream, so it goes fantastic with any kind of taupe, beige, really any color house that you'll see out in your neighborhood. Fantastic product. We also offer this in a textured finish that resembles a flagstone finish. So you can get this wide format, this large format paver with a more textured top as well. So we have 3 face versions of this Lowcountry Paver. We have the textured, we have a smooth top that resembles this Charleston Edgestone that you see here, and then we have the classic cobblestone pillow top version. As you can see, this version has a lot of texture on the top. It resembles more natural stone. Looks great if you have a little bit more rustic looking house, a little bit older styled house. Fantastic look, feel. Provides a little bit of texture to your flat concrete surface. So that's a great paver. This is part of a 3-piece collection. I have the complete set of that Lowcountry cobble in the 3-piece. So these are the 3 sizes that we'll have for it. This configuration here is our most popular paver that we probably sell. This is the new Sierra color. As opposed to having this flat top or the textured top, has a more pillow top to resemble the classic cobblestone look. So in this Lowcountry cobble, we also offer this in other size configurations. So we have a 4-piece version, this 3-piece version that you see here, and then we have a 2-piece version. So kind of depending on how intricate you want your patterns to be on your paver area. Speaking of the 2-piece, I've got a couple pieces here from the 2-piece collection, only the single size. So this is the 6x9 version. From our 2-piece collection. This is in Charleston Pearl, another one of our very popular colors that we have here. Again, that classic cobblestone look, especially in the 2-piece, we see that a little bit more for smaller areas, so the pattern doesn't overwhelm the area. It's a little bit simpler, more traditional, classic in the 2-piece configuration. This is our tumbled version of it. This is a slightly different color. This is battery gray, so this is a more gray paver, but you can tell we offer this in a tumbled version to give it a little bit more rustic look. So you can imagine that laying down, resembling those cobblestone streets of Savannah and Charleston that we see. Before we move on to the plantation paver, I wanted to show off this specific color. This is our charcoal color. We mainly see this used on borders. So we have a large area, a driveway, I think a driveway or patio, that you want to frame in and make it look like it's a room, like a living space. This charcoal color does a great job at that. As you can see, this is a very popular combo that we have here, this Charleston Pearl with the charcoal. Wanted to highlight the charcoal here for you. Again, this is the 6x9. We offer this in the 6x6 and we offer it in our 4x8 plantation paver, which we'll see here. Classic 4x8 brick style paver. This here is our shrimp boil color. It gives off the look of that classic red brick that you'll see in Charleston and Savannah on the streets, and especially when you tumble it. That tumbled paver looks fantastic as a classic brick alternative. It's much stronger than your clay brick. Still offers that same look, that same rustic finish. The last finish we really wanted to show off today, our favorite finish, to be honest with you, it's our tabby. This happens to be our battery gray color with the tabby finish. So if you think about the Lowcountry, you think about oyster shells, you think about tabby. This allows you to have a durable concrete paver surface and still stay true to that tabby look, or to that Lowcountry look, I should say. We embed the tabby right into the surface. This happens to be a permeable paver here. This is one of our Hydra Edge 3-piece paver set. Credit One Stadium on Daniels Island in Charleston. If you go to a show there, or go to a tennis match there, walk in the front gate, you'll see our tabby down all on the entrance there. The last one I wanted to show off is this thin paver. We get a lot of questions about people's existing concrete patios and how they can lay pavers on it, this is really our answer to this. This is a 30mm paver, which can be laid directly on top of your existing concrete surface. Thinner, so it doesn't overhang onto your lawn too much like these 60mm or 80mm products will. This can be set right on top of your existing concrete pad without you having to tear it up, relay base material, sand, and then put pavers down. If you have an existing concrete pad that you want to upgrade, you're able to do that with these 30mm pavers. We also offer this in a 4x8 plantation paver, as well as our 3-piece Lowcountry cobble. So you have a few different varieties of options there. So that's a quick rundown of some of our different styles, face styles, finishes, colors that we have. We have a bunch more to offer, and we understand that it's a big decision as you're considering your new outdoor lifestyle, whether it be a driveway or a patio. We welcome you to come on down to see us at our manufacturing plant here. We have an entire display yard. You can talk to our great customer service folks. They'll get you set up with samples that you can bring home, put up against your house, and make the right decision for your outdoor lifestyle. Come see us in Hardyville, and if not, we'll see you in the next one.